If you have a mortgage in Oklahoma, most likely your monthly payment has gone up. These are some of the reasons why and things to consider going forward. I'm discussing homeowners premiums, hazard insurance, and yes, they have gone up a lot, not just in Oklahoma, but around the country, and there may be no end in sight. Hi there, my name is Keith May. I'm with Keller Williams Realty in Central Oklahoma. I'm a full-time realtor for 25 years. This YouTube channel is called Real Estate Central Oklahoma. We'd love for you to subscribe if you think there is value in it. Now, insurance, like everything else, has risen because of the cost of inflation, home values, and thus the replacement costs going up, including the labor and materials to make those replacements. At the end of the video, I will tell you where Oklahoma ranks in cost of homeowners insurance compared to other states. Now, as a consumer, it is a best practice to do an insurance review every couple of years with your agent to look at things like deductibles, your replacement costs, content coverage, any sort of technology that could help you, like water detection systems, newer impact resistant shingles, anything that could be available to help you with your policy. You can also consider shopping around to other companies, bundling with your auto, your liability insurance, maybe life insurance as well. It is also important to understand things like actual cash value versus full replacement costs, ACV, it is sometimes called. That normally applies to your shingles or your roof. It can apply to other things as well. Now, insurance policies can be complicated, another reason why you need a good agent. And know that in Oklahoma, about 85% of all insurance claims are weather-related, wind and hail, and regarding someone's roof. Now, many companies don't penalize the policyholder for those wind and hail claims, or acts of God as they're sometimes called. They can and do, though, for claims regarding water issues or theft. So consider that along with your deductible when making a claim on smaller issues. Sometimes it's not worth it and will cost you more in the long run. Now, I spoke to 3 local insurance agents in researching for this video, one with Shelter, one with Farmers, and an independent local in Sorso. And I want to thank all of those agents, especially for their time and helping me get some facts here. Just like when picking your realtor or any other professional service, someone local and someone here that you can meet with face to face if necessary is a very valuable resource. Now, as a realtor, I can refer you to somebody that matches your needs with insurance, just like with any other profession that has to do with housing, and I oftentimes do that as part of my service. Of course, like anything else, cheaper is not always better, and beware of companies that don't have a long-term presence in Oklahoma or your respective state, that just come into the area to buy business and then maybe raise your rates later or pull out of the market entirely. You can read reviews about their claim history and their claim policies. Now, in addition to inflation, large losses across the country, like big hailstorms or tornadoes, which of course happen here in Oklahoma, can cause rates to rise in ensuing years. Hurricanes are big factors. The big freeze in the South and Midwest in late 2020 was a big factor as well, and I very much remember that day in Oklahoma. It got to -14 without the wind chill, and of course that caused a lot of pipe busting and water related claims. Now, I sell houses. Please take a look at my most recent Central Oklahoma quarterly real estate update video for insights about the market. My name is Keith May with Keller Williams Realty. I'd love for you to subscribe, as I mentioned, to this real estate channel, Real Estate Central Oklahoma, so we can keep it in front of people who can benefit from it, who can find value from it. 405-833-2626 is my direct number. Be happy to discuss any real estate or planning needs you may have. Reach out. We have a link in the description you can contact as well, and my email is keithmay@kw.com. Now, as mentioned earlier, any list you look at, Texas, Oklahoma, and Florida, because of their hurricanes, will be in the top 5 of the highest insurance premium states in the country because of the dramatic weather. That is one thing about Oklahoma that is more expensive than about anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.